They laughed when he said he was starting over. Not because he had failed once, but because he had failed many times. He had trusted friends who vanished when money disappeared. He had business partners who enjoyed profits but blamed him for losses. One day, everything collapsed. No office, no savings, no respect. Only silence. That night, he slept on a footpath. The ground was cold, but his thoughts were colder. Cars passed by. People walked past him without noticing. And that's when a strange clarity hit him. When no one knows you, no one expects anything from you. No labels, no pressure, no shame, just you and your will to survive. The next morning, he made a decision that changed everything. He left the city where everyone knew his past. He went to a place where no one recognized his face, his failures, or his name. A place where he could be invisible and free. He told himself, if I can sleep on a footpath, I can do anything. He started small, not glamorous, not impressive. He watched people. He listened more than he spoke. He noticed problems others ignored. He didn't chase big money, he chased value. While others dreamed loudly, he worked silently. While others waited for motivation, he built discipline. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. He failed again, but this time, failure didn't break him. It taught him. He adjusted. He learned new skills. He read when others slept. He worked when others complained. Slowly, something changed not outside, but inside him. He stopped trying to prove himself to people who never believed in him anyway. One day, someone asked him, how did you do it? He smiled and said, I lost everything first. That's the part no one likes to hear. Real change often begins with discomfort. Sometimes you must be willing to let go of your old identity. Sometimes you must walk away from people who only know the weaker version of you. Sometimes starting over means being alone. And that's okay. Because when you rebuild yourself from zero, you rebuild stronger, smarter, fearless. You stop chasing approval and start creating impact. And one day, the same world that ignored you will ask for your story. If you're struggling right now, remember this. It's not the end. It's the reset. Change your place if you must. Change your circle. Change your habits. But most importantly, change yourself. And when you rise, rise quietly. Let success make the noise. If this story inspired you and you want more powerful business ideas and motivational stories like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us create more content to keep you moving forward.